corporate and legal consultants. Welcome to our channel. Unlocking the secrets of smart lending. In today's financial landscape, taking out a loan can be a strategic move for both individuals and businesses. However, the key to maximizing the benefits and minimizing the risks lies in aligning those loans with genuine needs and realistic timelines. This approach ensures that borrowing is not only effective, but also sustainable. Here's how you can master the art of smart lending. Determine your real needs. 1. Define the purpose. Every loan should have a clear purpose, be it buying a car, funding a business expansion, or managing unexpected expenses. Understanding the intent behind borrowing guides you in selecting the right loan product. 2. Calculate the required amount. Accurately assess how much you need to borrow. Taking out more than necessary can lead to excessive debt, while borrowing too little might not fully address your needs. 3. Assess financial impact. Consider how the loan payments will fit into your current financial situation. Ensure that these payments will not disrupt your other financial commitments. Choose the right timeline. 1. Select the appropriate term. Balance the loan term with your financial goals. Shorter terms may increase monthly payments, but save on interest, whereas longer terms offer lower payments with more interest over time. 2. Evaluate repayment capability. Ensure you can comfortably meet repayment obligations within the chosen time frame, taking into account your income projections and potential financial changes. 3. Align with future goals. Consider how this loan fits into your broader financial plans. For businesses, consider long-term growth and market changes. For individuals, think about life changes like buying a home or starting a family. Advantages of proper loan alignment. Cost savings. By customizing loans to your needs, you avoid unnecessary interest and fees. Reduced financial stress. Aligning repayment schedules with your budget reduces financial strain and anxiety. Enhanced financial health. Properly structured loans support your overall financial stability and allow you to pursue future goals confidently. Conclusion. Smart lending is about more than just acquiring funds. It's about strategically matching loans to your specific needs and timelines. By taking the time to understand and implement these principles, both individuals and businesses can benefit from financial solutions that work in harmony with their goals. Embrace smart lending today to secure a financially sound tomorrow.